Most of my teaching involves courses in astronomy and astrophysics at various levels. I teach non-science majors, I teach the undergraduate physics and astronomy majors, and I teach the graduate students. The curriculum, for example, for an undergraduate is such that you have to take a lot of courses in mathematics, a lot of courses in physics, a lot of courses in astronomy. And while you're doing that, you develop these critical thinking and problem-solving skills that really can be applied to many different situations. My specialty is observational cosmology. I try to design observing programs where I can look at objects that are outside of our own Milky Way galaxy and use that information to describe how the universe changes as a function of distance. The great amazing thing about what astronomers can do is we can actually look back in time. An archaeologist might, have to get their hands dirty by digging and stuff like that. Well, astronomers don't actually have to do that. I look at things that are anywhere from 1 billion light years away to up to 10 billion light years away. And the universe is only about 13.5 billion years old. So that means what I'm able to do is design observations which allow me to look back further and further in time, and then you can piece that information together and you can get an understanding as how the universe is actually evolving. Trying to find undergraduate students to work with is something that I've been really doing for a long time. When you get to work with an undergraduate who comes to you and really wants to do research, that's sort of a special treat just because of the enthusiasm's there.
You just learn so much beyond what can be taught in a classroom. You also get experience with the scientific method, troubleshooting and figuring out how to work a program and to trust your own resources to come up with a solution. To know that you've been able to contribute to the general body of human knowledge is also a huge source of pride, and opportunities such as that don't exist outside of the realm of research.
The University of Pittsburgh does have a wonderful observatory called Allegheny Observatory. We actually get some buses that can take the students from the campus and go up to Allegheny Observatory. They would learn how to point the telescope, how to find astronomical objects, and there were a variety of objects that they observed and collected data so that they could analyze things.
There are different telescopes used, there's different resources and the computers and maps, and people are here to help, so it's a really good place to work.
Students get a really good feel, I think, for the way astronomy data collection is done, astronomy data processing is done. All of these things can give you a really rich understanding of where we are, what our place is in the universe. But there is this rich knowledge that is absolutely certain. It's not like it's a guess. I mean, there's hard scientific evidence and facts that scientists have used to put together the scenario for the way the universe works, and it's really a spectacular thing.